Right, this is translation. Translation sounds like a really complex word, it's not. It's all about moving a shape or a point. So imagine, let's say, for example, this is our shape. You will be given a command, it might be move it 3 up and 2 down, or 2 to the right and 1 down. You'll be given a command, you have to move it. So imagine if it was 2 to the right, 1 down. Things you have to think about are knowing your right to left, so know that right is going in that direction and that down is this direction. Left is obviously that way, up the opposite to down. So if I had to move this pen lid 2 to the right and 1 down, it would look like this. 1 place, 2 places, and 1 down. So my shape has moved from here to there. Now moving the shape simply isn't about moving it twice or moving it twice to the right and 1 down. You actually have to move it a certain distance. So 2 to the right actually means 2 squares to the right. So if I drew a grid here, so please imagine that these are equal squares. And we start in this corner. If I actually want to move it rather than 2 to the right and 1 down, if I said 2 up and 1 to the right, my star would go 1, 2 up and 1 to the right. So it would end up in this space. Okay, when moving things on a grid, it has exactly the same principle as well. So let's get a different colour so it'll stand out. Good old trusty bronze. So here is the corners of my triangle. I'm going to translate this shape to the right and 1 up. Now choose any corner, so just start with one of the corners. You can do this with tracing paper as well, but it's so easy without tracing paper that you might as well learn without. So we're going 2 to the right, so for each corner. I keep my pen on the point and I move 1, 2 to the right and then 1 up. And when I get there, I draw a cross so I know that's where I ended up. Then I choose the next corner. I do the same movement, 2 to the right and 1 up. And then the last corner, 2 to the right and 1 up. I then join the new corners together, and that is my translated shape, and it's an exact replica of the shape before. The size of the shape doesn't change, it's just its position. Have a go through the questions, see how you get on. If you still struggle with it, please come and see me.